Now in this question, we are to simplify 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 7. Solution. First, we'll find the LCM of 4, 2, and 7. 4, 2, 7. 2 goes twice, once, 7. 2, 1, 1, 7. And then 7 goes 1, 1, 1. Giving our LCM as 2 times 2 times 7. And 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 times 7 will give us 28. Now, let's perform 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 7. Remember, you draw a long division line, and then at the denominator point, you will put the LCM of the denominators, which is 28. Now, to the first fraction, we'll perform 28 divided by the denominator here, which is 4, and multiply that by 3. Now, the sign that comes next is minus. Now, we'll do 28 divided by 2. Then we'll multiply that by 1, then plus. We now have 28 divided by 7, and we'll multiply that by 3. Now, this should give us 28 divided by 4, that is 7, and we have 7 times 3, minus 28 divided by 2 will give us 14, multiplied by 1, plus 28 divided by 7, that is 4, that is 4, multiplied by 3. All upon 28. Now, 7 times 3 would give us 21, minus 14 times 1, that's 14, plus 4 times 3, that is 12, all on 28. Now, 21 minus 14 will give us 7, plus 12 over 28. Now take note, you see how I did this in steps. I did not complete the whole work here. I had to first do 21 minus 14 before I go on. That way you won't make an error. Now 7 plus 12 would give us 19. So we have 19 over 28. That is the solution to this problem. So whenever you have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 7, you would get 19 over 28. Thank you.